Abu Dhabi. Okay, so give your ticket. Give her ticket.
And now we're in SeaWorld.
Okay, and nasaan na tayo ngayon? Kapapasok lang, no?
Yeah.
So, ito. Ano ba yung nakikita mo? Fish?
Yeah.
Mas. Tingnan mo to. See the boat, oh. Ganda, no? We're going to Rocky Point. Ano yung tinuturo mo, anak?
Oh, just that.
Spice Island. Oo. Mami, nasaan po ba tayo? SeaWorld Viewing Deck po. Ito po yung kita mong halos lahat. Almost? Enjoy?
Yeah. We're now at the top of the park.
Again, can you repeat
we're
that?
in the top floor.
Sam, ano yon? Ano yung makikita rito?
Fish?
No, sea lion. Diba? Asa yung sea lion?
Swimming there?
Ayun o.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, ayun o.
I see them.
Ayun o,
Oh
sea
my
lion o. Oh. Ganda na.
some digital, some crate or something, yeah. Very, very nice. One side is open, one side is so they are like much aware of what is happening, but when it's a little bit more quiet, they will. This one is.
Hey, you know that we're taking pictures of you. That's why you are here. This is your Kuya Moss. And this is your Lola. Oh, I think they spend on something. They are buying on something. They tap the card.
This. I love.
Anak niyo.
Pagkain. Food. Just food.
Yes, okay, we
Hi guys, so I just got this petite rice and it was 16 to like 32 I think, and the latest is the 32 points and I got 17 points.
Okay. So you like it?
What are we going to do now, though, boss? All right, then, King, this is still an order, so I'm going to need you and Shelly to take that back to HQ.
Marhaba. Hello. I am Wasi, keeper of stories and traditions. Welcome to Dolphin Island. There is no other place like it. And why is it so special? Well, birds would be one guess. And dolphins, of course. Their endless curiosity, constantly seeking and learning. I sense deep curiosity in you as well. Like the dolphin, you are eager to explore and make new discoveries. My friends, you have come to the right place. For when dolphins leap through the waves of the open ocean, or when they hunt the seagrass meadows, they connect the many layers of the ocean, below and above. Here we celebrate our bond with nature through the rhythms of the sky and sea. So join us on an adventure of discovery. Release your curiosity and let your creativity flow.
Let's go.
Can I explore?
Okay. Oh, Sam? Anong section to?
Polar Ocean.
Polar Ocean, ha? May penguin, no? Anak ko, si Taso.
It smells like
Happy, this is your big brother.
it smells like tilapia.
Красивенький? Ой, ой-ой-ой, смотри, какой огромный. Ого. Смотри, ох, сразу сколько рыбы. Спасибо, говорит. Ага, спасибо, говорит. О, Наталья. Ой, какой, смотри, смотри, как он, смотри, как он. Смотри. Целое ведро, смотри, рыбы. Такой огромный.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Seawaldias Island, Abu Dhabi. My name is Anne from the Education Department, and here you're in the tropical ocean at the ray feeding. You are allowed to interact with the stingrays, but please use only your 2 fingers. Give them a soft massage, avoid the eye and also the tail. And also, if you want to experience the feeding, you can get food from this side. I'm on this side. Then you can come and feed them. For the kids, please be on your belly like this. Then give them just a soft massage, avoiding the eye and also the tail using your 2 fingers. So here we have different species of the stingrays. Stingrays come in different colors, different shapes, and also in different sizes.
Hi, and now we're in Endless Ocean.
Ano makikita natin dito? Yung biggest aquarium, no? Ganda. Ganda, ganda. Galing. Ganda, ha? Okay, take a seat. So, you're inside the submarine, ha? You're inside the submarine. Okay. Ito ang aking mga piloto. Ano yung pindutan na yan? Nothing. Oh. The floor, oh. Look at the floor, oh. Kuya. That's the shark.
Hi guys. So this is the end of our trip to SeaWorld.
Oh, bali pa exit na tayo, ha? Okay.
And then, but since I took pictures, they gave me this. So at the exit, I can receive the pictures or not.
Okay, isang optional, no? Ikaw, kuya, meron kang gusto sabihin? Pero mamaya pa tayo, ha? Pa-exit pa tayo, ha? Meron kang ba gusto sabihin?
I hope you like our vlog.
Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
like, wow.
Rising up from depths below, the soul of the sea is alive, aglow, miraculous beauty, a wondrous sight, and play. This is home, embracing family and friends of every nature.
Can I draw this water bottle? Yes?
Circle. What do you want?
Can I draw something on it? Please. And this is the end of our SeaWorld vlog. I hope you like our videos and more videos to come.
Okay. Tungkol saan uli yung vlog natin, Kuya? SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. Ayun, nasa likod mo. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. Okay.
And
Sam?
by the way, a tip for the dolphins, so bring extra clothes.
Bring extra shirt kasi nabasa, no? Yung-
Yeah, and short if if you don't wanna bring clothes, don't go near the splash zone.
Pero enjoy yung mabasa.
No.
Ako nagustuhan ko yung dolphin show eh.
Yeah,
Isa sa mga
because you
nagustuhan ko.
didn't get wet.
Okay, ano ngayon yung sasabihin mo?
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on TikTok.
Okay, so ikaw Kuya, anong tipang masasabi mo? Anong comment? Feedback?
I hope you like our vlog. And more
Okay.
vlogs to come.
Okay, tapos ang maganda rito, pupunta kayo ng first hour para masulit nyo, no? Okay? Sige!